Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you 4 easy handmade card ideas that can be made for children on Children's Day. So let's begin with the video. To make the cards, all you will need are A4 size colored sheets, colored pens, glue, scissors and stationery along with flower punches. If you do not have flower punches, I'll give an alternative. So we'll begin by cutting A4 sized sheets into halves and then folding them into cards. I'm using a ruler to cut the paper because it's easier for me like that. The first card that we're going to be making is a bear shaped card. For this, you will need 2 sheets of paper. I've taken the color purple, and with the help of the template, I'm going to cut the shape of the bear's face along with the nose and 2 big ears. Now we can take any contrasting color based on the color of paper you have selected. Since I have taken purple, I'm going to take pink as a contrast color, and I will be cutting smaller ears of the bear in this color as well as a mouth of the bear. I found some white scrap paper, so I'm going to cut the eyes of the bear in this color. Now let's glue all the parts that we've cut together and complete the face of the bear. For the inside of the bear-faced card, I'm going to cut a big pink color circle so that we can write our best wishes for the child. I'm going to use a black marker. You can also use a black sketch pen to do the detailing on the bear's face. And this is how the card looks at the end. We all know that children love having sweets, so I chose to make an ice cream for the second card. I've kept the base color of this card blue, and since I will be cutting the cone of the ice cream and the cream, I have kept some colored sheets out. I'm going to use this grey colored paper to cut the cone of the ice cream. Since I want the cone to be a little sturdier, I've decided to fold the sheet into half so I can get 2 grey cones out of it. Now I'll stick the cones together. I'm happy that the cone has come out the way I've decided it to be. So for the detailing on the cone, I'm going to use this white color pen, and I'll just do some crisscross lines on it to give it the cone effect. Now let's move on to making the flavors of the ice cream. For the flavors, I have kept the colors purple, blue and yellow. Here I am drawing the ice cream. And this is the template that I'll be using to cut all the ice creams. Now that the pieces are all cut and kept, the final part is to assemble the cone and the creams together onto the card. I decided to add some chocolate chips as finishing touches on the ice cream, and also writing a Happy Children's Day note on the card. Flowers do bring a smile on our face, and I'm sure it will do the same to children as well. So for the third card, I decided to make a bouquet, and again I've kept the base of the card in the color blue. To make the flowers, I'm going to use these 3 types of floral punches. If you do not have them, you can draw the flowers and cut them out. I'm using this beautiful little glittery, shiny, colorful sheet of scrap paper to punch my flowers. I have this ball stylus tool with me. I'm going to use it to push the center of the flowers in order to give it a little popped up effect. I'm going ahead to make my card a little fancy by cutting the 3 sides of the card using this wavy scissor. If you don't have this type of scissor, just leave the card as it is. I didn't like the look of the colored glittery flowers on the blue sheet of paper. So I've decided to turn and use the other side, which is white, as white stands out. And now again I'm going to use the ball stylus tool to push the center of the flower. I'm satisfied with the placement of the flowers, so let's glue the flowers onto the card. Now to complete the bouquet, I'm going to use my white marker to do the detailing on the flowers by drawing the stems, little leaves and a bow to make it look prettier. I'm also adding some silver dots with the silver pen in the center of the flower so it can give a more elegant look. Adding some silver onto the bows as well. And of course writing Happy Children's Day. The card does belong to them. I love how this card has turned out. It's one of my favorites, I guess. Moving on to the final card. For this card, I'm using the base color yellow as well as a contrasting color which is white. I want the white sheet of paper to look a little smaller than the yellow, so I'm going to trim 1 centimeter on all 4 sides on the white sheet. Now let's stick this white sheet of paper on the yellow. I love how this looks so far. The element on this card I'm going to draw is a sunflower. For that I've taken another sheet of yellow paper and I'm going to draw the sunflower over here. I'll give it an outline using a black marker so it stands out even more. Now that I'm satisfied with how the sunflower looks, I'm going to cut it and paste it on the card. The only thing I'm going to add on this card is the stem and 2 leaves, and I'll obviously write Happy Children's Day on top. This card looks simple and yet bright. So these are the 4 easy peasy handmade Children's Day card ideas. I really hope you enjoyed watching this week's video, and thank you for watching the video till the end. Comment down below the card you like the most. If you make any of these cards, do tag me on my Instagram, a.craft.artist. Stay tuned for another video next Friday. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. God bless.